compare shift performance, improve communication, and track any KPI with operator shift checks using DigiView. Every company would like to improve production during shift changeovers and get solid data on each shift's output. DigiView allows you to set every team up for success with shift handover software to document shift operations in real time. You can eliminate errors and improve communication with shift notes, batch tracking, automated checks, and even asset utilization like OEE. Now you can take every shift from good to great with documentation in real time with zero lag in reporting. You can compare teams, lines, and even sites to benchmark performance. DigiView helps standardize shift processes, closing gaps in startups and end-of-shift compliance. Just think about the hours of management time compiling data at the end of each shift. Even teams at fully automated sites struggle to compile shift-based data contained in paper checks. DigiView fills that gap with a simple check system that's efficient for operators and flexible enough to incorporate any process, even site-level action tracking.